agricultural services in GST. Services relating to cultivation of plants and rearing of all life forms of animals except the rearing of horses for food, fiber, fuel, raw material or other similar products or agricultural produce by way of the following are exempt. In case of support services of agriculture, forestry, fishing, animal husbandry fall under the service group 9986. The GST rate is nil. Now, let us know what are those support services in GST with regarding to agriculture. As per explanation to heading 9986, support services to agriculture, forestry, fishing, animal husbandry means 1. Services relating to cultivation of plants and rearing of all life forms of animal except of horses for food, fiber, fuel, raw material or other similar products or agricultural produce by way of. So the following points are the subclause of this, out of which number 1, agricultural operations directly related to production of any agricultural produce including cultivation, harvesting, threshing, plant protection or testing. So this will result into exemption. B. Supply of farm labor. C. Process carried out. C. Process carried out at an agricultural farm including tending, pruning, cutting, harvesting, drying, cleaning, trimming, sun-dyeing, fumigating, curing, sorting, grading, cooling or bulk packaging and such like operations which do not alter the essential characteristics of agricultural produce but make it only marketable for the primary market. So these are the activities which are directly in relation with the agricultural produce, so subjected for exemption. Renting or leasing of agro machinery or vacant land with or without a structure incidental to its use. Next, loading, unloading, packing, storage or warehousing of agricultural produce. Then, agricultural extension services. Next, services by any agricultural produce marketing committee, that is APMC, or services provided by a commission agent for sale or purchase of agricultural produce. Then last, services by way of fumigating in a warehouse of agricultural produce. Clause 2. Services by way of preconditioning, pre-cooling, ripening, waxing, retail packaging, labeling of fruits and vegetables which do not change or alter the essential characteristics of the said fruits or vegetables. Third, clause 3. Carrying out an intermediate production process as job work in relation to cultivation of plants and rearing of all life forms of animal except the rearing of horses for food, fiber, fuel, raw material or other similar products or agricultural produce. It has been held that the following are not agricultural produce. They are as follows: turmeric, dried ginger, tamarind, dry mango, dry gooseberries, dry water cashew nut, dry peas, cinnamon, gum, groundnuts, coconut, and dry fruits such as fig, almond, walnut, pista, lotus seed pop, etc. Service by way of loading, unloading, packing, storage, or warehousing of rice is exempt from GST. Services by a veterinary clinic in relation to health care of animals or birds are also exempt. Services by way of slaughtering of animals falling under heading 9988 is exempt from GST. Services by way of preconditioning, pre-cooling, ripening, waxing, retail packing, labeling of fruits and vegetables which do not change or alter the essential characteristics of the said fruits or vegetables are also exempt. Activities like breeding of fish, that is fishiculture, rearing of silkworms, sericulture, cultivation of ornamental flowers, that is floriculture, and horticulture, forestry are covered in the definition of agriculture and thus will not be subjected for tax. Plantation crops like rubber, tea, or coffee are also covered under agricultural produce. Potato chips or tomato ketchup is not agricultural produce. In agricultural products like cereals, pulses, copra, and jaggery, the processing is done by a person other than cultivator or producer and hence will not be exempt from tax. Services by APMC, that is Agricultural Produce Marketing Committee or Board, which are not taxable. Prawn or shrimps is not agricultural produce, thus it will be subjected for GST. Thank you. Do subscribe.